here's the website, as long as you have internet. But they have an app. You don't have to have internet. You can download the app. It's called Blue Letter Bible. Okay? And what you do, for the version you want to choose WLC, okay? So there's the LXX, the Septuagint I was talking about. Here's MGNT, that's a modern Greek New Testament. Or morphological, sorry, that's nice. They have that. So WLC is the Westminster Leningrad Codex. That's the basis for most Old Testaments today. Okay, so you click that, and then just type Genesis. Okay. And hit enter, or click go. I hit enter, my internet's working on it. Okay, and then here we are. You have a Hebrew Bible. And what's nice is it looks like it's not showing the ta'amim, it's not showing the accent marks. That's good for this stage of learning while you're reading right now, so it won't throw you off. I just want to point out that the very first word, we have an aleph with no vowels under it. And if you remember, I mentioned briefly that aleph sometimes elides. This is called elision, where even though aleph once was pronounced in ancient times, it's not pronounced here. And so you just have to, don't be confused by that when you see it. That the very first word, I don't want you to get tricked up with the very first word in the very first book of the Bible. So this is vocal schwa, bereshit, bara Elohim. And for those of you who are able to get hold of my book, you know that I translate this in a beginning, God created et hashamayim v'et haaretz. Because that's what bereshit means. It means in a beginning. Okay, so you have access to it here. There's other places. Bible Gateway is also a decent place. I just like the tools here a lot. If any of you want to get ahead, if you're like the A students, or I guess it's a 1 here in the Philippines, if you get 1s in school and you want to go ahead and dive in, you can click on the tools if you want to see what the words mean. So click tools, and now we're going to get real interesting here. Okay, and now look, it's going to give you the words, and they're going to give you these Strong's numbers. Never, 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 never go to Strong's for the definition of a word, okay? I have a lot of respect for the man. In the 1800s, without computers, he put together this system for Greek and Hebrew and Aramaic, and he invented this number system that we use in software today for Bible software, but his definitions in Hebrew and often in Greek are just atrocious. They're just wrong. So please don't ever, if you're putting together your own sermon, don't ever look to Strong's and tell your congregation, well, Strong says this. If you've done that, I'm not saying it to shame you, okay? It's a tool that's out there, and it's free. There's no copyright, so a lot of people have it. But Strong's is super useful for this unique number here, unique identifier, right? So if you don't know what a word means, let's look here at like created. You click on this link, okay? We're not going to look here. We're not going to see what it says here. We're going to click on the link, and that's going to take us to another page. Aha, there's the Hebrew word, bara. And then you can even click on it and listen to how they read it. I'm not sure if it's good pronunciation or not. I haven't tried. And you scroll down. This is better than Strong's already. This outline of biblical usage, already better. But don't even look to this. Keep going down. Don't look at the Strong's definition. Ugh, I feel a bit sick looking at it. You come here. The Gesenius Hebrew Chaldee Lexicon. Click read the full entry. There it is. This is a good definition. Bara, to cut, to carve out, to form by cutting. Interesting. Number 2 is what it means here, to create, to produce. And he gives you the classical Arabic, some good stuff in here. You can read through and see. He oftentimes, when you look up in Gesenius, oftentimes the very verse that you're looking up, he will mention. And again, this is a guy also from the 1800s, before computers, right? He just... amazing, amazing work. This is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful public domain lexicon. The Gesenius Hebrew. The only thing is, if you would be perfect, is they did not yet know about Ugaritic, which was discovered in around 1927, 1928. And so he doesn't have that. But he leans on Ethiopic, on Arabic, on Aramaic, on what was known about Egyptian and other stuff. And he makes his argument about the meaning of the word in Hebrew. Very, very classy linguist. Okay? So that's the blueletterbible.com or .org. Either one will get you there, and you have access to all these tools. Or you can get the app on iOS or on Android. Okay? Any questions about your homework?
None.
All right.